Find the blue area. Label A, B, C and D. Let line AD be equals to Q. Line CD be equals to Y and line BD be equals to X. Triangle ABC is a 45 degrees right triangle. Length of line BC equals length line AC, which equals 10. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line AB equals 2 times the square of line AC, which equals 2 times the square of 10. Take the square root of the equation and we have that the length of line AB equals 10 times the square root of 2. From triangle ADC, angle D equals 360 degrees minus the sum of 135 degrees and 90 degrees, which equals 135 degrees. Let angle CAD equals theta. It implies that angle BAD equals 45 degrees minus theta. Also, angle ABD equals theta. The distribution of angles are shown in the figure. From the same triangle ABC, using sine rule, y divided by sine theta equals q divided by sine 45 degrees minus theta. We call it equation 1. Also, from triangle ABD, x divided by sine 45 degrees minus theta equals q divided by sine theta. We call it equation 2. Multiply equation 1 by equation 2. The product of x and y, all divided by sine theta times sine 45 degrees minus theta, equals the square of q divided by sine theta times sine 45 degrees minus theta. Cross multiply. The square of q equals the product of x and y after simplification of substituted values. Hence, we call it equation 3. Also, from triangle ADC, by sine rule, q divided by sine 45 degrees minus theta equals 10 divided by sine 135 degrees. We call it equation 5. From triangle ABD, by sine rule, x divided by sine 45 degrees minus theta equals 10 times the square root of 2, all divided by sine 135 degrees. We call it equation 6. Divide equation 5 by equation 6. It implies that the ratio of q divided by sine 45 degrees minus theta to x divided by sine 45 degrees minus theta equals the result shown on the screen. Simplify using a reciprocal multiplication rule and we have that q divided by x equals 1 divided by the square root of 2. Square this result and we have that the square of q divided by the square of x equals the square of 1 divided by the square root of 2, which equals to half. We call it equation G. Substitute equation 3 into equation G. It implies that the product of x and y, all divided by the square of x, equals half. Cross multiply and simplify. We have that y divided by x equals half. Solve for x. It follows that x equals 2 times y. We call it equation H. Consider triangle BCD. Use Pythagora's theorem. The square of 10 equals the sum of the square of x and the square of y. Substitute equation H. 100 equals the sum of the square of 2 times y and the square of y equals 5 times the square of y. Divide the equation by 5. It implies that the square of y equals 100 divided by 5, which equals 20. Take the square root of the equation. It signifies that y equals the square root of 20 equals 2 times the square root of 5. Substitute value of y obtained into equation H. It implies that x equals 2 times y equals 2 times the product of 2 and the square root of 5. The result equals 4 times the square root of 5. Hence, area of triangle BCD equals half the product of x and y, which equals half of 40. The result equals 20 square units. Also, area of triangle ABC equals half the product of line A or C and line B, C, which equals 50 square units. After simplification of substituted value. Blue area equals area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle BCD equals 50 minus 20 equals 30 in square units.